In example number second, we have given NNP at, we have given GDP at NP and we have to calculate NNP at FC. So what adjustment we needed? First, gross to net. We know that when we have to move from gross to net, we minus the depreciation. Minus depreciation. Second, domestic to national. We know that when we have to move from national to domestic, then we minus NFIA. But now we have to move from domestic to national, so plus net factor income from abroad. So plus net factor income from abroad. Third, market price to factor cost. When we have to move from market price to factor cost, we minus the net indirect tax. So minus net indirect tax. In question, we have given GDP at MP is this depreciation directly given, consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital means depreciation. Depreciation is given 300 plus net factor income from abroad. This is not given directly, but we have given in the question factor income from abroad means FIFA and factor income to abroad means FITA. And we know that the formula to calculate NFIA is FIFA minus FITA, equal to FIFA minus FITA. Now in question we have given factor income from abroad 150 and factor income to abroad is 220. So by solving this we get the minus 100. Means in this economy net factor income from abroad is negative. Means from this economy the factor income to abroad is more than factor income from abroad. So the net factor income from abroad is negative. Next, net indirect tax. In question we have not given NIT directly, but we have given GST. GST is indirect tax and subsidies. We know that the formula to calculate NIT is indirect tax minus subsidy. So indirect tax means GST is 120 and subsidies are 70. So the net indirect tax equal to 50. By solving this, minus 300 minus plus minus 100 हो जाएगा and minus 50. This is the minus 450 minus minus 450 out of this we get. This is the net national product at factor cost. In third example we have given GNP at FC, we have given NDP at MP and we have to calculate GNP at MC. We know that when we have to calculate gross from net, we will add the depreciation, and when we have to calculate national from the domestic, we will add the net factor income from abroad, and from market price to factor cost, we will minus the net indirect tax. So in question we have given NDP at MP is 25,000, depreciation is 5,000, NFIA is not given directly. In question we have given factor income from abroad and factor income to the rest of world. So FIFA minus FITA, we will get the net factor income from abroad. Minus NIT is also not given directly. In this question we have given only subsidies. There is no indirect tax given. So we assume the indirect tax are 0. So IT indirect tax minus subsidies. Now by adding these we get the 30,000 and 400 minus 600 we get the minus 200. Next minus 30, minus will become plus 30, and by solving this we get 29,830 is the GNP at FC. In example number 4 we have to calculate GNP at MP. GNP at market price, and we have given net domestic product at factory cost. So what adjustment we needed? We have to move from net to gross. So we will plus depreciation. Then domestic to national. Domestic to national means by adding the net factor income from abroad. Factor cost to market price plus net indirect tax. In example number 4, we have given NDP at FC and we have to calculate GNP at MP. By solving this, net domestic product at factor cost is 3200, depreciation is 400, net factor income from abroad is not given directly, but we have given only net factor income to abroad. We have given net factor income to abroad. It means net factor income to abroad is 50. It means factor income from abroad is less than the factor income to abroad. Means net factor income from abroad is negative, right? So we will write it minus 50. Again, net indirect tax. In question we have given only indirect taxes. Subsidies are not given. So we will assume subsidies are 0. So we write indirect tax minus subsidy. And we get all this. By solving this, we get the 3620. This is the GNP at MP. In example number 5, we have given GDP at MP, NNP at FC, net factor income from abroad and NIT, and we have to calculate consumption of fixed capital. So how we will solve it? First, write the GDP at MP on the left hand side and remaining other variable on the right hand side. Now we have to calculate all variable we have given in the question, but we have to calculate the consumption of fixed capital. So we will take this variable on the left hand side and remaining all variable on the right hand side. So the GDP is already there, GDP, and NNP at FC, it is positive here. As we change its side, it will become negative. NFIA is negative minus, but as we change its side, it will become positive. Same for NIT. So we get the consumption of fixed capital equal to GDP at MP is 5000, NNP at FC is given 4000, NFIA is given 200, NIT is given 300. By solving this, we get the 900. So the consumption of fixed capital is 900. In example number 6, we have given GNP at MP, NDP at FC, depreciation, NFIA, NIT, and we have to calculate, sorry, not NIT, we have, in example number 6, we have given GNP at MP, NDP at FC, depreciation, NFIA, and we have to calculate NIT. So, first, the variable NIT, which we have to calculate, we will put this variable on the left hand side and remaining other variables on the right hand side. So NDP at FC, depreciation, NFIA will become as it is, and GNP at MP we will take on the right hand side. So the symbol will change from positive to negative. By putting this value, NDP at FC is given 6200, depreciation is 600, and net factor income from abroad is minus 400. Net factor income from abroad is negative, means factor income to abroad is more, but the factor income from abroad is less. Minus GNP at MP is given 7000. So by adding this, we get 6800. By adding minus will become total negative 7,400 and we get minus 600. When we shift this NIT from right hand side to the left hand side, it also became negative. So negative sign will be cancelled out from the negative sign. That's why the NIT equal to, in example number 7, we have to calculate subsidies and we have given GNP at FC, NDP at MP and other basic terms. So first we will write the adjustment to how to reach at GNP at FC when we have given NDP at MP. Net to gross, so we add the depreciation. Domestic to national, so we add the net factory income from abroad. Market price to factor cost, so we will minus the NIT. But we know that we have to calculate the subsidy, and subsidy will become in the formula of NIT, right? So we will first write the NIT formula. NDP at MP plus depreciation minus NFIA, and we will open the formula of NIT minus IT indirect tax minus subsidy. Now open this bracket, minus IT and minus subsidy, it will become plus subsidy. So first we take the subsidy to the left hand side and other remaining variable on the right hand side. Then we will put the value of NDP at MP, depreciation, NFIA, indirect tax and GNP at FC. By solving this, we get plus 28,000 and minus 30,000. So the value of subsidy is, first thing to notice, the subsidy is positive here, and when we have transferred it from right hand side to the left hand side of the equation, it will become negative. So here the negative subsidy, both side negative sign, negative cancel, and this will become the subsidies equal to positive 30. This is the answer.